As you can see, there's like the hail balls, the little hail balls. So what happened was it hailed, then it rained, and it hailed again, and then it dumped a bunch of snow on top of that, and that froze over throughout the night, and it was this thick layer of ice. If you gotta go anywhere, be very careful. 2 highways are shut down. The back roads and a lot of the side roads are not plowed. The main roads, they're working on those now. Try to stay indoors if you can. Hopefully you got food and beverage, things like that to just stay in for the rest of the weekend. It's not worth it to go out there. I'm telling you, like look how. So this broom, I've used this broom to kind of help brush off the snow around the car, just because it's so hard to get in certain areas because the snow is so deep. You literally get up to like your knees because it collects and piles up in between cars and things like that. So that's a little life hack trick. But yeah, this is crazy. Try to make my way back. Look at that, man. It's crazy. Oi. So, very, very crazy. The trees are beautiful though. Peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. I'll continue to give you all updates.